Gas leaks and unexpected empty LPG tanks are common problems in households and small food businesses. These issues may lead to fire hazards, accidents, and interruptions during cooking.
Ako po si Aya Cruz. May 10 taon na rin na nagkakarinderya. Sa loob po ng 10 taon na yon, may mga 1-2 beses po sa isang buwan na hindi namin namamalayan na paubos na yung gas. May biglaan po na pangyayaring ganon. Sa kalagitnaan po ng pagtitinda, naubos po yung gas. Kaya po, mahirap din po yung gano'n kasi may mga customer po na hindi makaantay, nagmamadali, hindi na nila maantay yung niluluto. Tapos may mga pagkakataon po sa loob din na 10 taon na yun na nangyayari po na amoy namin na parang may tumatagas sa bibig. Kaya mahirap din po talaga na yung mga ganong aberya. Kaya kailangan po talaga nag-iingat para maiwasan din yung lalo na yung mga sinisingaw para maiwasan po yung sunog.
To address these problems, GasSense developed GasUL, Gas Automated Surveillance for Usage and Leak, a smart monitoring system designed for small households and food vendors. The LED serves as an indicator for the gas concentration within the system. The green means normal gas concentration level, while red should indicate hazard and risk for the surroundings. The speaker serves as an alarm to notify the users around the system regarding a high concentration of gas. The mobile application serves as a real-time monitoring system through a device. The MQ6 gas sensor is a gas sensor specifically designed for detecting LPG. Behind the platform, there is a load cell connected to an HX711 amplifier. It measures the weight and reflects as a gas tank storage. When dangerous gas concentration is detected, GasUL immediately activates the alarm system through LEDs and a buzzer to warn users. The mobile application provides a real-time monitoring of gas concentration and remaining LPG level, allowing users to monitor their tanks conveniently.
Ay, paubos na pala yung gas. Kailangan maka-order na.
Through innovation and practical technology, GasUL promotes safer and smarter LPG usage for everyday consumers.